What's the meaning of child seat? Child seat. Child seat.
Child seat. Child seat. A child seat is a specifically designed chair that provides extra safety for infants and young children during transportation. The purpose of a child seat is to reduce the risk of injury or death in the event of a car accident. It is mandatory in many countries for children under a certain age or weight to use a child seat while traveling in a vehicle. These seats are designed to fit securely in a car and are available in different sizes to suit children of various ages and weights.